today I'm speaking with Lauren Crossett of Quovo. How are you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
Why don't you tell me a little bit about what Quovo does?
Sure. So we provide connectivity to consumer financial accounts.
Okay.
What that means is if you've ever had a workflow or been in an app that's asked you to link your bank account or your loan or your 401k, hopefully that connectivity is powered by us.
Great. Well, let's talk today about some of the challenges facing the banking industry and how you guys are handling those.
Yeah, I mean, from our perspective, I think banks are really thinking about how to work with fintechs.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of the context of Money 2020. I think how you get a large enterprise to start acting in an agile or even quick way is a challenge. What I found in working with institutions is that taking it like bite size is easier.
Okay.
So if they can say, all right, we just want to focus on this one workflow for now, that they can do that. It's hard to try and like boil the ocean and say we're going to change every process at a bank.
How do you guys feel about like the financial regulations that we have these days?
We are really just thinking about making sure we comply,
Okay.
trying to figure out like what is the nutrition label look like for this kind of connectivity. So if a consumer says, yes, you can access my data, how can we make that incredibly clear to them, like for what use case, what data is actually being made available, for how long, those kind of things.
Okay.
So it's really clear. I think it will really be like companies like us that are the intermediary between other companies, fintechs and enterprise, and the actual enterprises themselves, as well as consumers, really working together to kind of drive change and data availability and things like that.
Okay, great. Let's switch gears and talk a little bit about, your advice for young people getting into the finance, sector.
Yeah, like find a good team that takes you seriously and try and keep your knowledge broad. So understanding how different parts of the financial services sector fit together is hugely valuable. And then just, find mentors, find teammates that can help, you progress and move your career forward.
Are you seeing more women get into the industry?
Yeah, absolutely. So we do a women's resource group at Quovo to make sure that even when you're getting in the industry is one thing, but also that you have a path towards like career development and promotions and things like that. So we think about that a lot. And I've been lucky enough to work with a lot of clients that have female teams, female engineering teams in financial services becoming more prevalent. So yeah, I'm really excited about it.
Great. Well, thank you, for stopping by and talking to us today.
Absolutely, my pleasure.